welcome to the GRAD partnership. My name is Megan Reeder-Shop, and I'm the Director of Research and Evaluation for the Barr Center. Within this project, I help organize and run DRIVER1, which is really all about building stakeholder awareness, understanding, and advocacy for student success systems. Under DRIVER1, there's some important things that would be good for you to know when entering this work. One is that we have collaborated and partnered with a national PR and comms firm, the Hatcher Group, which we work with hand in hand on everything that we do within DRIVER1. Some of the things that we've done so far within DRIVER1 is we've conducted audience research with over 300 educators across the nation. We've launched a multi-pronged outreach campaign, and we've developed GRAD-specific materials and messaging to help with our awareness, and also co-authored op-eds and blogs and other written pieces to really raise the awareness of the GRAD partnership itself and the importance of student success systems. And finally, a really important part of our work is we know that the schools are the most powerful example of what is possible with the student success system. So one of the most important strategies that we're implementing is the GRAD Partnership Spotlight Schools. What are those? These are schools that are nominated and selected from our organizing partners to really highlight the different components of the new student success definition that translate into practice. And one of the last things I want y'all to know about DRIVER1 is that it is critical and for our work throughout the partnership, but specifically with DRIVER1, is to reflect the messaging for all students in their communities. So we have a close work with our advocacy partners, the Schott Foundation, the National Center for Learning Disabilities, and Rural Schools Collaborative and their communities. They are fully at the table at every meeting and help with our decision-making and leadership within these efforts. Something different about DRIVER1 that would be helpful to know that kind of sets it apart from other drivers is that we do have this external partner that we're working with, not necessarily daily, but sometimes hourly. And so it can be chaotic at times in terms of getting things turned over. But it's important to know that even if you're working with other drivers, at some point you will come in contact with the work with Hatcher, because it really does transcend all of the drivers within the work. Another important thing is to where to find the materials. So materials are a very important thing within DRIVER1 because it helps with our collateral, one-pagers, our definition. Where do you find these things? So as I'm sure you've heard from other driver leads, that we have a main GRAD partnership folder. Within that folder is a DRIVER1 folder, and within that you can find our meeting notes and slides, all of our materials, information on our audience research. And if you're really interested and want to be engaged within DRIVER1, a continually updated outreach calendar that you can add to see where we've been, where we're going, and what we're doing. Within DRIVER1, there's actually kind of 3 groups of meetings going on. So the DRIVER1 core team, and then a combined DRIVER1, DRIVER3 team, and then a communications team that meets. So to break this down, the main DRIVER1 team meets every other week, usually on Tuesdays. Along with that, the members from the core DRIVER1 team meet once a month with members from the DRIVER3 team for a combined meeting. And then finally, our communication team meets twice a month, usually every other Friday. And in terms of if you need help or you're wondering, where is that one page I want to take to a conference? The key contact for DRIVER1 is me. And so I put my email on the screen there, and also feel free to call or text me if you need something immediately. My phone number is 605-431-5661. thanks for joining this effort, this movement, and we look forward to working with you.